Welcome to another edition of How to Fix It Yourself with Dave and Dave. Today we're working on the 2001 Pathfinder. This is a straightforward operation we're doing today. We're just replacing the air filter. Now, it's something so simple and trivial that most people can do it whether they work on cars or not. And most people wait till it's way too long to replace an air filter. For as cheap as they are, you just go ahead and replace it. My recommendation, especially with the Pathfinders, is to go ahead and use a dealer filter. Not so much because it's that much better than what you'd get at an AutoZone or an O'Reilly's or a Napa, but because they have a special oil coating on them. Now, yes, you can buy aftermarket filters that you can spray oil on, but getting it real even and nice. I actually had a mass airflow sensor taken out on this vehicle many years ago because I put in a regular aftermarket air filter. And that's just one of the hazards of not using the right part that'll happen. So instead of being a simple $20 fix, it turned out to be a several $100 fix. So replace your air filter frequently. The better your airflow is, the better your engine's going to run. Again, this is a very simple operation. We do have a regular Nissan air filter that we are going to use today. And it's just very straightforward. You've got two clips. This is one of the easiest air filters there is to replace. You don't have bolts or anything else to take off. You just have two clips. All right, so to remove the filter, again, you just take these two clips, slide the part back, and the air filter just comes right out right there. So go ahead and take the air filter out, and just drop the new air filter in. Again, it'll only go in one way. So this is what makes the seal right there. So just set it in place. Drop it back in, slide it forward, snap your clips, and you've done your air filter. Very trivial, very simple operation. You do want to do your air filter at least on a scheduled basis, but you can do it more frequently than that, especially if you get into dirty areas or hazardous areas. Here in Arizona, we get a lot of dust storms, so during the summer months, I tend to replace the air filter a little more frequently. This is a four-wheel drive, so I do go off-road. It does get dusty, so in the summer months, I tend to replace the air filter a little more frequently. For as cheap as it is, make sure you always have good airflow. It makes your car run a lot better and keeps your fuel efficiency in good order. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you can see how simple it is and how easy it is to replace this. Again, please click on our links below to purchase your items, and please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you very much.